Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about how to search dog names by meaning? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to search dog names by meaning is aftergadget.wordpress.com. See the page titled How to Tick Check Your Dog, even if he's big, black, and. Here's the link. You can also try 0.r.msn.com, especially the page How to Name Your Puppy. PetMD.com. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 2413677.r.msn.com. The web page Dog Names Meanings, Dog Names Meanings Search Now. Here's the link.